I want to put mindful in quotes because that really means heartful in the original Pali Buddhist language. Mindful is actually not mental, it's heart, it's feeling, not thinking. So lower your attention into your heart, into your body. It's simple. There isn't a how to, you just experiment. Oh, just even the thought, my body, awakens the body's relationship with you. Your body is communicating with you all the time. And here we get the opportunity to begin, if we haven't already, to listen to our body, listen to our sensations, feel them, allow them. Not think about them, figure them out, fix them, get rid of them, and all that other doing compulsion. No, this is non doing, undoing, probably a better word, undoing. The support that's here in the space that we share is so helpful in training the realignment with our being. It's really the purpose of these gatherings. It's an offering of that space that's illuminated and energized and interconnected. But in one sense, it's a mirror of you. So you can be with what's emerging, arising, shifting, transforming, healing. I'm not teaching a way to follow, not at all. I am teaching how you actually can learn to inner attune to the guidance that is uniquely yours. Because when you find that alignment, you will see that it works for you. And that's the end of giving your authority away to anybody or anything. And that's what true empowerment is. Not egoic, will-based brutality. I'm not talking about that. No. No, it's free of a knower. It's free of a doer. And this is where, in prosaic terms, I often say to people, trust yourself. I'm not saying trust your emotional reactions. Those are just the need for your body to clear something, your anger, your rage, your fear, your longing, whatever it is, your sadness, your grief, your overwhelm. The great benefit of being aware of awareness, which you are, more or less, everyone here, is that you can truly begin to live your life as the human being, as a self-actualized human being, and fulfilled with meaning and purpose. Not as a kind of written declaration, but more as a deep, profound movement of your life. It's not an easy route because it doesn't give you information in the way that AI does. In fact, if anything, you're in the vulnerability of cluelessness. So you also are being healed into vulnerability, which is the softness needed to be a connected, loving, giving human being, sensitive and empathetic to yourself and others. And that is needed today more than ever.